Hi, my name is Orlando Mergal. I'm the host and producer of the 12-year-old podcast Hablando de Tecnología. And this is the box for my 1 terabyte SANDISK Extreme Portable SSD. So why the box? Well, because I returned the SSD itself on January 26 for replacement. That was close to 3 weeks ago, without counting Saturdays and Sundays, of course. It arrived at SanDisk on January 31st, which is a miracle in itself given the sad state of affairs at the United States Postal Service. But that's a different video altogether, and you can watch it here at the bottom of the screen. Just getting an RMA number from SanDisk was like getting a root canal. And just 2 days ago, their global support page acknowledged receipt of my package. That was 3 weeks after they received it. Since then, the status has been received/processing, a sort of black hole where RMAs go to die. Now here's the thing. I bought this SSD back in April 19, 2021, together with my Blackmagic ATEM Mini Pro ISO. It worked fine till January 22nd of 2022. That was less than a year. On that date, it simply dropped dead. It wouldn't work with my ATEM or with any of my computers. So I contacted SanDisk, and from that point on, it has been like pulling teeth. What good is a 5-year warranty if it'll take forever to get your item replaced? Granted, these units rarely fail, so customers rarely get to experience SanDisk's mediocre service. So I just wanted people to know, these units work great until they don't. And when they don't, SanDisk's service simply sucks. And without an SSD, the ATEM Mini is practically useless, at least for me, because I don't use it to stream. I take the ISO files, bring them into Final Cut Pro, and edit them to my heart's content. So as you might imagine, I had to go out and buy a second SSD. Thank you, SanDisk. There's no hurry anymore. You can take your sweet time. Oh, and one last thing. Maybe you're asking yourself why this video is in English when the rest of my videos are in Spanish. Well, it's simple. So the people at SanDisk and the rest of the world can know how pissed off I am with these mediocre people. Stay away from these little devils. They're great until they're not.